Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. And today's Nerf Blaster review will be on the Fortnite SR. Looks like this, it looks like this. So this, I believe, is some sort of like hammer shot look-alike. It has this rotating, non-rotating barrel, which is non-rotating, meaning it's cosmetics. Cosmetic scope, and comes with 8 of these darts. However, I had lost seven of them, and this is the one I have left. So supposedly I could use the other Fortnite darts, but right now I'm using two. For the other 3 darts, I'm using 2 Dart Zone darts, and I believe this is a Race Squad dart, and striker version. So this blaster, I think I picked this up for on Amazon. It was like $10, $15 or so dollars. But it's pretty much a hammer shot with a scope. Or not hammer shot, it's a double strike with a scope, and it holds twice as much. The scope itself is pretty self-explanatory, as you can see here. And I think I fired this or tested it a while ago. I tested this a while ago, and I kind of forgot how good or bad the performance was, so I'm just going to go right into it. Well, let's aim for the car. It's Nerf darts, it won't destroy the car. Oh, nice. Smooth sailing on that one. Okay, so obviously within each drop of a Nerf dart, so this is going to be the best, this is going to be second best, third best, fourth best, or fourth worst, first worst. Oh yeah, that was pretty horrible. Last shot. That was pathetic. Alright. So, as you can probably see here, that this blaster, it performs well when you get past or before you get past the first and the second chamber. Once you go past, I think, the next two, when you get to the next 2 shots, the third and fourth shot, the performance drops significantly. As you can see there, the first dart hit the car, and it was a nice smooth sail from where I was standing to the car. You could probably, I think the first and second shots could go a little bit further if the car wasn't there. But anyway, that's the firing test of this blaster. And honestly, I gotta say, the scope is pretty cool. This is detachable, removable, and this would be pretty, I think it would look pretty cool on the other Fortnite blaster. I think it's like a sniper rifle, I forgot the name of it. It was like a BASR-R or RL? BASR-R? I don't know. But this scope would look pretty sick on that Fortnite sniper rifle, because it would remind me so much of a... it would remind me of, again, COD again. COD with a 3X tactical scope on a sniper rifle that's really meant to have a massive scope. But still, it's a decent blaster. It won't really perform well in a Nerf blaster war, but honestly, I gotta say, it looks cool, but it looks a little overkill on coolness. I mean, this is, I don't know, this is just a little too weird to look at for me. Trigger's nice and good. The hammer action is pretty good. I like it how with the hammer shot. With the hammer shot, if I pulled this back, it would be like up to here when I pulled the trigger, and then it would just slowly go back up. This one, you pull the trigger, it goes straight up, which is nice. Which means it makes me think that they have a tougher spring in there, or maybe a decent spring that'll cause the hammer to pull back all the way forward into its original position. Like I said, this comes with 8 elite darts. It has a 4 dart capacity, and that's about it. You can spin the blaster if you like. Honestly though, if I'm honest, this blaster's not really that up to par with my standards, so I would probably say about, my rating on this blaster by itself would probably be about, from a scale 1 to 10, I would probably just say, that's a hard choice, I'm going to say 6. 6.5 out of 10. 6.5 out of 10 for this blaster. It's decent. I don't know its modding capabilities. Can it be modified or not? It looks like they have all the screw placements. Let's see about. Oh man, the scope's hard to get off sometimes. Oh yeah, so this is different. So in older Nerf blasters, they would have a spring-loaded, I guess, attachment catch is, I guess, the closest way I can put it. This little orange piece here. However, this is just solid plastic. I think they either downgraded it or upgraded, I don't know what the preferred term would be, to this orange stud, pretty much. I will say though, when they had the spring action orange clip or orange stud, it was the catch plus a tiny spring. Those two pieces it pretty much felt like you could get the attachments on and off easily. But I don't know, this attachment, when I try to put this attachment on, it's like, I don't like the feeling of having to force push or force pull something, especially when it's on a blaster that tight. So yeah, 6.5 out of 10. The main reason it lost points was the performance, as you can probably see and tell. And the scope's nice, and even though it's cosmetic, it looks nice. The blaster itself, not really that up to par with my standards. Also, yeah, so the main reason it lost points was the performance, and the fact that the very tiny amount, but still noteworthy that it's very hard to get attachments on and off with this new orange stud, instead of the orange stud plus a tiny itty-bitty spring. So that is it for today's Nerf Blaster review on the Nerf Blaster Fortnite SR. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Thanks for watching, guys.